Are these SPAC stocks, APXT and RMG, a buy? Given how strongly EV SPAC stocks like those of Nikola and Lordstown have performed after the completion of their deals, market participants are probably trying to get into APXT and RMG before the mergers with AvePoint and Romeo are completed. So we'll quickly begin with RMG, and you can see the chart. That's what we're looking at right now. You can see it has a market cap of $405 million and 28 million 0.75 shares or so short. And technically, it looks bullish, and the signals also look strong, though not as strong as the stuff we've seen in renewable energy stocks like fuel cell. You can see the price rate of change is only 39%. It is an indication that even though it has run up to 7 days of gains since the 16th of November 2020, you can see this very steep upward chart. You can see that, it definitely looks ripe for a shot. So let's see if we can digest what we have technically here. RMG appears to be in a strong bullish trend, no doubt about that. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero and rising. The momentum for RMG is strongly bullish, absolutely. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is above 80, and it is currently overbought. As you can see, the graphics here indicate it's in the overbought territory. So the unbalanced volume is bullish. The slope of that indicator is positive and suggests buyers are presently more active than sellers. So what I can say for sure is that this is RMG is a special acquisition vehicle for Romeo. So I believe that when that merger is completed, that this market cap will definitely should be more than $405 million. And also this is in relation to what's going on elsewhere in the renewable energy space and all the EV plays. So, but I wouldn't recommend anybody to buy them today, the 27th of November 2020. The stock has run up a huge amount of gain. We definitely have to see a consolidation or pullback, especially if you want to trade the stock. If you short trade at day trading, you just want to make quick gains, I wouldn't recommend that you go in now. If you want to go in for the long term, just hold on and wait for a pullback. I know also that there's also a fear of missing out. I might have also contradicted myself, believing that the stock definitely has some room to go up further. But at the same time, I wouldn't recommend that you just jump in now after seeing, up to 7 days of non-stop gains. So the next equity will be APXT. APXT, of course, is the same. Is an acquisition vehicle as well. Okay. So again, it's the same case with it. It has a market cap of $489.7 million, 44.56 million shares sold short. Technically, it's showing some good signals, but it's not as overbought as RMG, and we can see here that it's also price rate of change is also 8.2%. So this is more of a better. This has by far way more room based in relative terms, to go. but each stock is different from the other. And technically, APXT appears to be in a strong bullish trend. It is, no doubt. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero and rising. It is lagging the S&P 500. Momentum for APXT is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising, and as investors pay higher prices for shares. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of this indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So indeed, just like the other RMG, I wouldn't say that this is a buy for now. It definitely even has better prospects than RMG. But if you want to day trade, I wouldn't say you should do that. I wouldn't say you should buy it now. If you want to buy APXT, for short-term gains. For the long term, yes, you still have to hold on. That's my recommendation. You still have to hold on to see that things have pulled back a bit and cooled off a bit. I believe it has run up to three days of serious gains. Okay. But it hasn't. It's not so hot. Not as hot as RMG. Not as hot as fuel cell energy and some other renewable energy and green tech related stocks. Okay. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much for watching.